The steering wheel is off of a 2007 Pontiac GXP. See how sweet it looks. We got the yellow racing dial up at the 12 o'clock position with matching yellow baseball stitching, and went with the Alcantara suede instead of regular leather just to give more grip on the road, if you will. Turned out looking absolutely amazing. Take a look at these before pictures. Just quite a distinct difference from before to after, and that's what we do here at Craft Customs. We can reupholster any steering wheel in the world back to new. We can also customize them. We can add the Alcantara to steering wheels. Now the Alcantara, I will say, doesn't wear as long as leather does. It's kind of like the old suede shoes. It wears out quickly and flattens out over a couple of years. But if you're racing and you need the grip, that's the way to go, is either Alcantara or even real suede, which we do the real suede also. So give us a call at Craft Customs 214-564-1170, or reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. We look forward to working with you.